Hey guys, so I just want to make another super quick video just to explain something to you guys today. This school year, one of my goals for you guys and for me is to make sure that you guys start off on the right foot, get on track, and stay on track all school year, okay? And so part of that, I'm going to make a quick video just to make sure you guys are good to go to start your school year on track, okay? So, hopefully you guys can see these. Okay. So first thing guys I want you guys to do is make sure you're logged into the online school and check your courses. I've already kind of checked over them and I'm pretty sure everybody has everything, but it's always good for you guys to double check too. You guys want to make sure that you've got a math course, spelling, composition or writing, literature, your vocabulary, your sciences, American history, or just regular history depending on your grade. Some of you have art, some of you don't. The people who don't have art have PE instead. And then you want to make sure you also have this right here where it says Class Connect and whatever grade you are. You want to make sure you have that course in your online school, okay? So do a quick check. Make sure you have them all. If you're missing any, please email me right away. I think everybody should be good to go, but just in case, double check and let me know if anything's missing. And then the next thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to make sure you follow your daily plan every day. I'm going to pull this up a little bit so you can see it better. Oh, maybe not. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so once you log into the online school, you'll be able to see your daily plan. Please follow it every day, right? So today, this is a 5th grader's second day of school, and this is what he's supposed to complete today. Whatever you've got on there, please make sure you complete all of it and make sure that the little bubbles right here on the end are filled in and have a green check mark in them, okay? And then one last thing I checked, okay? So today's day 2. I'm actually going to move my screen here because I don't want you don't need to see me. Okay. Today is day 2 of your school year. By the end of today, my 5th graders should have 2 math, 2 literature, 2 spelling, 2 vocabulary, 1 grammar, 1 science, 2 history, and 2 online learning lessons completed. Okay? This is how much should be done by the end of today. 4th graders should have 2 math, 2 literature, 2 spelling, 2 vocabulary, 1 grammar, 1 science, 1 history, and 2 online learning. And then my 3rd graders is almost exactly the same as 4th grade, except you guys have handwriting. So make sure you have 2 handwriting done along with your spelling, vocabulary, writing, your 1 science, and your 1 history, and 2 of the online learning courses, okay? So that's just a quick overview. That's what I want you guys to all have as a goal to be completed by the end of today. I will check at the end of today and maybe tomorrow morning, I know it's Saturday, I'll go over it, and anybody who doesn't have it, expect an email from me just making sure that you've seen this video and that you are right on track. All right, so that's it for me, just super quick. Want to make sure you guys start your day and your school year off on the right foot. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.